Bank of America sets Zelle sending limits for security, typically $3,500 daily and $20,000 monthly for personal accounts. Limits vary by account history, type, and recipient. Bank of America does not publicly disclose exact personal figures in the app or site. Ways to potentially increase limits. Contact Bank of America directly. Call customer service. Use secure chat in the app, show online banking, or visit a branch. Request a review. Increases are possible based on account age, positive transaction history, especially repeated sends to the same recipients, and overall relationship, for example, higher tier accounts like Advantage Relationship. Switch to small business enrollment. If eligible, enroll a business checking account with a separate email, phone for significantly higher limits. Build history, consistent, responsible use, for example, frequent trusted transfers, may lead to automatic gradual increases over time.